Everyone, a fairly active day for weather, or at least most of the activity coming a little bit later tonight. During the day today, we're going to be seeing some breezy conditions towards the afternoon hours. As soon as this early morning fog clears up, should be just after sunrise, but otherwise it should be a fairly nice day. Temperatures in the upper 80s across the board, even lower 90s in some spots, but we will see some breezier conditions. Rain chances will be present tonight, even some thunderstorm potential as well, so that's something we'll definitely need to talk about. Otherwise, cooler temperatures are on the way for the later half of next week. Now outside right now, satellite and radar showing a clean sweep across the board. Nothing to really mention right there, but we are seeing some foggy conditions pop up around the map. In fact, take a look at our western Topeka cam right here. Starting to see some fog develop right along the horizon there, giving us some trouble spots as far as visibility goes. Here's what we're watching. Less than a mile for Topeka. Burlington's doing just fine. Emporia down to 8 miles of visibility. In Junction City, we are at 3, as well as Lawrence hanging right around that 4. So definitely some patchy, dense fog developing across the region. As far as temperatures go, we're looking at mid to upper 50s. A light wind out of the east, about 3 miles per hour, should start to help mix some of that fog out of the area. Temperatures locally, here's what we're watching. A little bit cooler towards our eastern viewing area. 55 being reported in Lawrence, 58 for Hiawatha, as well as Manhattan. And then a little bit further west, Concordia clocking in at 66 already. A very mild start to the day for you folks over there. Now, dew points for us, we are seeing some moisture come into the area, and that's going to help fuel some rain chances and even thunderstorm potential a little bit later this afternoon. We're seeing upper 50s, lower 60s, 55 for Lawrence, 59 for Marysville. So definitely a little bit more moisture in the area. Temperatures this afternoon, we're looking at a pretty uniform picture taking place, mid to upper 80s across the map. 86 for Concordia a little bit later today. Overall, very nice, pleasant day today. Overnight hours, temperatures cool down to the lower 50s, and that's when that cold front makes its way through town. So it's going to be moving through a little bit later this evening, right around the midnight hour, heading into the 1 o'clock. Now, future wind for us coming out of the south, we're looking about 15 to 25 miles per hour. It's going to be a breezy day today. Now, the big story, though, is when this cold front moves through. You can see it highlighted pretty well right here. Notice our winds shifting down from the north. That's how you know that front is making its way through town. And look at the yellow starting to pop up. We're looking about 25 to even 35 miles per hour possible as soon as that front moves through the area. And so we're also keeping an eye on some wind advisories. Other than that, though, beyond that, winds tomorrow coming out of the northwest a little bit more on the calmer side. Now, as mentioned, a wind advisory is in effect. That's these shades of purple and pink across the region, mostly for our western viewing area, just west of Topeka. Now, this dense fog advisory is to the south of the Burlington area, but we are seeing those foggy conditions out there as well. Now, we also have some thunderstorms to talk about, mainly for the northern portions of our viewing area. This is a level 2 out of 5 slight risk issued by the Storm Prediction Center just a little bit ago. Now, keep in mind, just our northern viewing area has a chance for some severe thunderstorms a little bit later today. All severe hazards are possible, but the main threats are going to be damaging wind gusts and hail. Timing is out for us. Here's what we're watching. 10 o'clock tonight, we're starting to notice some rain pop up into the area, and as this front moves through the area, some rain starting to filter in for a lot more of the viewing area. Now, if this cold front were to shift just a little bit further west, a lot more of the viewing area could be seeing some rain chances, but as it stands right now, it looks to be mainly for the northern portions of the viewing area just north of I-70, then possibly behind that some rain and cloud cover filtering in just south of the Topeka area. So rather active weather patterns setting up, at least for later tonight and into early tomorrow morning. Your high today, we're looking at 88, windy conditions, about a 30-40% chance we'll see some rain in the Topeka area. 74 for tomorrow, that cold front moving through the area, really knocking us back, and then we're back into the upper 70s by Tuesday and even lower 80s by Wednesday. But take a look at that jump from Wednesday and into Thursday. We're dropping down to the lower 60s by Friday, and then as we head into the weekend, yet another warm-up is on the way. So a bit